Welcome to the introduction and overview of manufacturing. Let me introduce myself. I'm the course instructor. I have an education in aerospace engineering at Virginia Tech. I also have a mechanical engineering degree, and then I have experience in a lot of different space systems, multidisciplinary engineering, failure analysis, systems engineering, and you can find more information about me in the bottom right. The course description. In this course, we'll talk about manufacturing fundamentals, the materials in manufacturing, solidification processes, metal forming processes, the material removal processes, welding and joining, rapid prototyping, electronics manufacturing, and then also we'll be discussing MEMS and nanotechnology. What I expect from you in this course is to learn the fundamentals of manufacturing approaches, learn about the advantages and disadvantages of the various manufacturing processes, and then learn about the applications of the various manufacturing processes to the industry. The textbooks that we'll be using is the Fundamentals of Modern Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, 6th or 7th edition by Michael Groover. The outline of the course is as follows. We'll first discuss the manufacturing overview, machining operations, material properties, engineering materials, plastic shaping, metal casting, metal forming, metal removal theory, non-traditional machining, electronics manufacturing, MEMS, and nanotechnology, followed by rapid prototyping, which we'll be discussing as a 3D printing. And if time allows, we'll add welds and joining processes. So that will be the outline of this course. And that will be the outline of this course. I look forward to going over the materials with you over the next several weeks.